Yes.
You're ready to make favorite Platinka drink?
Yes, make them.
Alright, here, look. I give you your own bottle. I use my own bottle. Let's see if we make the same thing. We've got all these ingredients. We've got these ingredients. We've got this. Jellyfish.
What is this for?
It's for buttholes.
Remember, when we come to Germany, they will stick it in your thumb.
These things, like, you take them, and then you go...
Okay.
No, look, let me show
drink.
you. No, let me show you what you do. You put it in your mouth, you spread the cheek, you put it right in the butthole.
Very good.
Okay,
right. So we make drink.
You want to see if we make same drink?
Favorite drink?
Favorite Platinka drink.
Your favorite drink versus my favorite drink?
I bet mine's better.
Okay, we check.
Okay, ready?
Hold on.
Right. This, okay, Platinka.
This is our favorite drink.
Favorite Platinka drink. Are you ready for these things? Okay, I make mine.
Make mine too.
Oh shit, we made some drink. This is my favorite Platinka drink.
Mine too,
look,
brother.
I want to try yours, you try mine.
You're welcome.